We're going to set up PureVPN on DD-WRT router today. So let's start. First, search for the keyword PureVPN DD-WRT. Now, visit the PureVPN's DD-WRT page. Look for the Setup Now button and click it. You will be redirected to PureVPN's support page. Go to point number 2 and copy the command. Now, open another tab and enter your DD-WRT router IP address into the browser to access your router's dashboard. Sign in to the router by entering your credentials. Click the Administration tab and select Commands option. Enter the command into the field and click the Run Command button. Wait for the processing. It will only take a few seconds. After the processing is completed, then click the Status tab and select My Page. Enter your username and password and select your desired protocol and then click Connect. That's it! You have successfully set up PureVPN on your DD-WRT router.